Hi guys and welcome back on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enable dark mode on Oppo A17. So let's do it. So to do that, just go to the top bar and swipe again. And as you can see, we don't have here the dark mode, and we'll solve this. Just press here on the edit icon. And now go down and swipe to the right, and here we have dark mode. I hope you see it. And just press the plus sign, and dark mode will appear now here. And let's go back, and here there is. Just press on it. And now, as you can see, my phone menu it's turned on the dark mode, and it looks more comfortable for the eyes. So I hope this tutorial could be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.